Understanding Sustainable Housing, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly important topic: sustainable housing. Whether you're learning English or simply interested in environmental topics, this video will explain what sustainable housing means and why it's so crucial for our future. So, let's get started. Sustainable housing refers to the design, construction, and operation of homes in ways that are environmentally friendly and resource efficient throughout the building's life cycle. This means from the selection of building materials to the construction methods used, and even how the house is powered and maintained, everything is done with the goal of reducing its impact on the environment. Key aspects of sustainable housing include energy efficiency, the use of renewable energy sources like solar or wind power, water conservation practices, and the use of sustainable materials that are non-toxic, recycled, or quickly renewable. Sustainable housing also focuses on creating healthier living environments for people, improving air quality, and ensuring homes are built to last longer, reducing the need for future resources in repairs and rebuilds. Sustainable housing is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions from traditional energy sources like coal, oil, and natural gas. Buildings, including residential homes, are a significant source of these emissions, contributing to global warming and climate change. Secondly, sustainable housing conserves precious natural resources. By using materials more efficiently and relying on renewable sources, we can lessen our impact on the planet. This approach also promotes biodiversity and the health of ecosystems by minimizing habitat destruction and pollution. Lastly, sustainable housing can lead to long-term cost savings for homeowners. Energy-efficient designs and renewable energy sources can reduce or even eliminate utility bills, and durable materials reduce maintenance and replacement costs over time. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Rainwater harvesting systems collect rainwater for use in gardening, toilet flushing, and, with proper treatment, even for drinking and bathing. Green roofs covered with vegetation. They provide insulation, reduce heat loss in winter, and cool the home in summer. Energy-efficient appliances use less electricity for the same level of performance, conserving energy and saving money. Natural ventilation reduces the need for air conditioning, utilizing windows, vents, and architectural designs to cool the home naturally. We hope this video has shed some light on sustainable housing and its importance for our environment and future generations. Adopting sustainable practices in how we build and maintain our homes can have a profound impact on our planet and our lives. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Together, we can make a difference, one home at a time. See you in the next video.